All right, quick video, just sharing our experience with solar pool supply. So here's our controller. You can see the solar temperature in the roof is 123 degrees. I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like. Turn off the alarm. We got a kid here. So here's the solar. About 2 years now. No leaks. It's been phenomenal. You can see the way that it mounts. Kind of hard to tell from here. Look in the photos. It shifts. So rather than being mounted in place, the mounts stay there, but all of the panels can move as they expand and contract with the heat, which is great here in Florida. So as you can see, we got these trees here. So for most of the day, the pool is actually shaded. There's a brief period of time here more toward the middle of the afternoon, later in the day, where the sun is directly overhead and we do get some sun in the pool, but for the most part it's shaded. So in the years before we put this up, in the year that we had it, the pool never got above 84, 85. In the heat of the summer, it was, 81, I mean, sometimes 82. And now for most of the year, we can set it to whatever we want and it will hit there. So I like it warm. I have it at 88. It gets there every day, drops down a few degrees overnight, and works great. We're very happy with it. Has definitely made the pool a lot more enjoyable. Their service in particular was phenomenal. Andrew Kell, I think is how his name is pronounced, was just a huge help. So definitely recommend them. Great stuff. We did the Heliacol panels, but I think those are really similar to their SwimJoy. They have the same type of mount with the little individual tubes, which I think is better for wind. Obviously, we get a lot of hurricanes and storms out here, so very happy with it. Highly recommended. Thanks for all your help, guys.